In this demo, we are going to simulate a hacked web server with the help of Metasploit on the machine on the left, and on the right hand side, we have an unpatched Windows machine, which is the victim in this case. The victim machine is protected by the FortiClient. The FortiClient has the exploit prevention feature enabled. Here, we can see a list of all the protected applications, and we can see that the Adobe Flash Player is one of them. Now, we will go back to the Metasploit and launch the popular Adobe exploit by the hacking team. This will simulate a compromised web server. At this point, we can go back to the victim machine and launch a web browser and browse to the compromised web server. Now, as the URL is launched, we see prompts from the Adobe plugin requesting access. As users do pretty often, we will click Allow to let the plugin run. Before the plugin is able to run, we can see that the FortiClient has kicked in and stopped the exploit with the anti-exploit engine. Even though the Adobe Flash plugin has crashed, with the help of FortiClient, the browser is unaffected.